Hey lovely, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Hit that subscribe button and be a part of the glam family. Thanks, I love you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the trendy hairstyle, the Koroba braids. But I'm going to be doing the body of the braids knotless method because I'm going to be self-braiding, okay? So let's go straight into the video in achieving this beautiful hairstyle. So now loves, first thing you have to do is to prep your hair you're going to be working with, whatever hair you're using, okay? So I'm using the braiding hair attachment, okay? So I'm going to prep it right now by cutting into 3 places, okay? Cutting 3, that's what I do. You can cut to your desired length if you want it longer and your roll to be bigger. So I did cutting 3 and I went ahead to stretch my hair and get it ready for me to work with. So right here, I went straight into parting my hair for me to start braiding. So I went ahead to part into different sizes. I did big sizes of braid. If you want smaller ones, you know how to part your hair. If you can't, you can meet someone to help you part your hair for you to work with, okay? But if you're parting your hair yourself, make sure you have something in front of you, like a mirror. You'll be able to see the back part of your hair because you have to know what you're working on at the back. My parts were not really clean because I couldn't really see the front of my hair, like the back part of my hair. I mean to say, because I was just working like with my hair, like imagination, like I was imagining where the line is supposed to be, and you can see the hair lines were not really okay. But make sure you have some, like a mirror in front of you, so you'll be able to see the back parts, so you have clean parts to work with, okay? So right here, I applied this to my hair to help flatten it and have a good mold when I'm working on my hair. So you can mix of any one you have. You can get this product as well. You can mix of any hair control you have or any wax that can help you flatten your hair and keep them in place for you to be able to braid. So love, let me tell you an interesting story while you watch me braid. I was actually braiding in a room with my lighting all set up and everything clear, but Nigeria had to do their thing by telling me you have to stop braiding. They took their light as I was braiding, like, stop braiding, babe. And I was like, God, what's this? So I had to take just my phone outside to get the natural light. Natural light is from God. So I had to come outside to come and braid, and the lighting was still very okay and very clean. It gave my video still the quality it needed. So that is the short story. So you're up to this point. Hope you subscribed. If you haven't, go back and hit the subscribe button. I love you. Thank you so much. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay. I'm done braiding, and I went ahead to do some parts of the hair, the rolling of the mouth off camera, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this right now. Okay, but make sure that you roll. When you're rolling your hair, you have to roll each braid on a line same length. Do you understand? Like, each line that you have, the braids you have on that line has to be same length. You get? That's what you have to do. That's going to give you that different steps in front. You're going to have that look. Okay, so this is what you do to get the rolls. Okay, so you take a particular braid. Make sure you're going to be tying the tip first. Make sure the tip is not like the very thin part, and before you do that, make sure you check that the braid is on a straight line, not bent to the other side. Get? So you're going to tie the tip this way. When you tie the tip, you'll begin to roll. Okay, you begin to roll the hair, checking that when you're even after tying, check that your hair is like your strand of braid is not rolled on itself, it's on a straight line. You understand? So you begin to roll just as I'm doing this way. Take your time to do it. Take it slowly and roll. That's how you're going to get that cinnamon kind of roll. You understand? So make sure you take your time to roll it, and you roll to the top of it. That's when we're going to be securing it with our thread. Okay, so you roll till you get to the top. Make sure you have a particular braid. If you're starting with the first one, you know where you want your front line to be. Some people's own that are really long. I needed mine short, so you do your first braid, and you have to go in with that first braid from the front, then use it to line the rest going down. So make sure when you do that, the second one you're doing the next step just like that. Okay, so when you get to the particular length you want, do you understand? When you get to that particular length, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to sew this, secure it with your needle and thread. You're going to sew around it. Okay, you're going to sew through it, around it, whichever way that you best understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so you're going to thread and needle to sew. When you put the needle from one end to another, don't cross the needle. Make sure you start from the other end the needle came out from, just like as I'm doing. Okay, like I said, every strand of braid on a line is same length. Start with the front so that you use that front to measure. So all I did was to roll and secure with the thread to every braid I have, then making sure that I have them on the same length of the braids, so it gives me that step I have. You understand? So make sure you sew through to secure it. Okay, you sew it very well. So after sewing your row, after securing it, you have to cut off that part that you tied, the remaining part of it. Then what you have to do is to secure that very part that you cut that end to the tip from, to sew around it so it doesn't get loosened. Okay, so that's what you do. Then you cut off your thread and your row is ready to be rolled. So lovely. This is the final look of the hair. The outcome of this hair is really nice. It came out so fine and it's really beautiful. It suits me so well. I love the hair. Let me know what you think of this hair in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to be trying it out so I will know your outcome. Okay, one thing I want you guys to let me know where you're watching from. I want to connect more with you people. You guys are my family, so let me know where you're watching from in the comment section so I can give you guys a shout out in my next video. Comment on this video, share with your loved ones, turn on your post notification bell to be notified of a video I post the next time. Okay, until next time we meet again, this is Crash the Glam and ensure you've subscribed. I love you. Bye.